I've been using the TORRAS lens protectors ever since they became available, and today I show you how easy it is to apply the lens protector to your iPhone. Here's what you get in the package: a set of lens protectors, wet wipes, a cleaning cloth, and dust removal stickers, and a simple instruction manual. Everything is included to get a clean and bubble-free result on your first try. Installation takes less than a minute. First, clean the camera with the wet wipes. Second step, dry the camera lens and remove all the remaining dust. Third step, take the dust absorber. Step 4, take the dust removal sticker. Step 5, peel off the plastic film. Place the frame in the camera position and press the lens to seal perfectly. And the last step, remove the installation frame and complete the installation. Done! It fits perfectly, no bubbles, no fuss. Since using these protectors, I've stopped worrying about scratches or cracks on my camera lens. It looks sleek, it doesn't affect my photos, and I know my lens is safe.